Konica, Argus and Minolta. 3 names, 1 passion for cameras. What happens when you put 3 legendary camera names together? Konica, Argus, and Minolta each have a fascinating place in photographic history. Argus started in the United States in the 1930s, becoming famous for affordable cameras like the Argus A. Konica began its photographic journey in Japan as early as 1873, and later became known for innovative cameras and film technology. And Minolta, founded in 1928, became one of Japan's most important camera makers. It even sent a modified Minolta camera into space with astronaut John Glenn in 1962. In 2003, Konica and Minolta joined forces to create Konica Minolta. 3 iconic names, decades of innovation, and one incredible legacy in photography.